Hello everybody, Smell C back again. I got a little retail basketball break. I got two blaster boxes of 2014-15 Panini Threads. I found them at Target for $12.99. The regularly were $29.99, so it's a pretty good deal. They come with 20 cards and you get one mem card per box. So let's check them out. I just saw these and Excalibur's on sale, so you might want to check your Target. Pretty good value for $12.99, I think. Alright, here's pack one. I'll try to put them in the back. Alright, there we go. So there's what the base card looks like. Chris Paul, Carmelo Anthony, Blake Griffin, some good names. Gilmore, Andrew Bogut, Amir Johnson, Dwayne Wayne, Chris Paul, Floor Generals insert, Threads cards of Jeremy Lin, Patrick Patterson, Donald Lee, Tariq Evans, Mozgov, Terrence Jones, Ibaka, first wood rookie, Julius Randle, cool looking cards, got the little texture feel to them, and Nick Johnson for the Heat, and the hit, Doug McDermott, McBuckets, rookie jersey card, net number. Not bad. Get a couple of woodworkies. Got the Threads card and McDermott's in the first box. Let's see if we can make the second box a little bit better. Alright, here we go. Box two. Alright, so let me get these one back again. These will be the woods. Alright, Schroeder, Danny Green, Chris Bosh, Brooke Lopez, Macklemore, Anthony Morrell, old school legends, Artist Gilmore, got a neat insert. How about a Wiggins, nice, Wiggins Threads card. Another insert here, Inside Presence, Dwight Howard, Harris, Ross, Shaq, Stuckey, Patterson again, Batum, Dunleavy again, get some dupes, Evans again, get James Enos, rookie wood card, and Tariq Black, and a rookie jersey card of Rodney Hood, who's playing pretty well, so that's a pretty nice hit there. Again, just the base jersey card, but that's it. It's a pretty fun break. Let's see, between this and Excalibur, I'd probably go with Excalibur because you get some more chance for an autograph, and you get some, vet hits too. So that's it for this break, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.